When we decided we wanted to move, we realized at our old space that the law firm that we built 30 years ago was not the law firm built for the practice of law today. We were approached by True North about an opportunity at True North Square, not just becoming tenants of True North Sports and Entertainment, but becoming partners with True North and becoming the official law firm was a really exciting opportunity for all of us, and one that we felt we couldn't pass up. The process of moving to a new office was energizing. It got us to reimagine the kind of law firm that we wanted to be. And what was important to us really were three things: innovation, collaboration, and community. And so getting people out of their offices, from behind their desks, behind their closed doors, into open spaces where they can work in a way that's functional, that's comfortable, and that's inviting was extremely important. So the lounge is one example, but we've got a variety of different rooms. When you walk through the halls of our space, I think you're going to see it's a modern office, it's an open office, it takes advantage of all the natural light that we have. We designed our space with a view to it being timeless. So when you go through, you're going to see nothing but local artists, Indigenous artists, or artists who have a connection to Manitoba. All the offices are a lot smaller because we don't need a bigger footprint. All the offices are the same size. We thought if we're all in this together, we should all have the same tools. All of the offices have access to the great light that we have, and with the high ceilings that we have, it pours right in. We've changed the way our lawyers work deliberately. A lot of the material that we have is now digitized. So we're taking up less space, using less space. When I started, we had a 2-story library. Today, everything is found on something as small as a phone. And so when we went through this process, we were able to actually reduce our footprint quite significantly. We reduced our library to literally one wall. My favorite area is the client area that you see here. The ability to have our Northern Lights Lounge, where we can sit down, we can have lunch, we can share coffee, we can have a drink amongst the high ceilings, the natural light, and all of the local Manitoba and Indigenous and Northern art. It's been an absolute pleasure to be able to host our clients and our friends in that space, and I look forward to doing that for many years.